everybody, this is Kaylee with Kay's Wig Shop. We're gonna go in detail on how to wear a topper, so stay tuned. Alright everybody, like I said, we're gonna go in detail on how to wear a topper. Now this is everybody's biggest concern. They get their topper and then they go to put it on and they're like, oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna talk a little bit about steps to remember, how to blend it in with your own natural hair to make it look like it's your own. So I have my topper here. I'm gonna show you the one that goes right up in the part. This is gonna allow you to have coverage up here and some fullness below. So we undo our pressure sensitive clips. Make sure all of them are undone. Once we've done that, we're actually going to back comb our own hair on where those combs clip. So I'm just gonna take a little brush here, very mildly just back comb so it gathers that hair together so that comb is gripping onto a good healthy amount of hair and not pulling your own hair out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my own. So I put mine about an inch behind my bang line. If you didn't have bangs, you're gonna go about an inch to 2 inches behind your hairline. So I take my hair, like I said, very mildly just back comb that hair to where those combs clip. We also have a comb in the back, so I'm just gonna back comb there, and then 2 on the sides. Like I said, this is just gathering that hair, allowing it to have a good amount of hair that it's gripping onto. After we've done that, then you're gonna take your topper after you've undone each comb, and you're gonna place that front section, like I said, for me, an inch behind my bang. Now this is the most important part that you're wanting to place. I actually bring my hair a little bit forward so that topper is gonna blend with my own hair. We don't want our hair to lay flat like this and then clip in, because then it's gonna be an obvious difference. So gathering that hair, just bringing that forward, I take my topper and I take that comb, matching the part up to my own part, so you can see through that. I'm just blending that part up with my own, clipping that in place. After I've done the front, you always want to go to the back, never to the side. Once you put the side on, then it can be lopsided. So we go front, gripping onto that back combed hair, back, and then we can do our 2 sides. Pretty much I'm just pressing that down. Now this is the part where we're blending. So it's applied on, it should feel very comfortable. It shouldn't be pulling on your hair. It shouldn't feel like, you know, like you have a bobby pin that's just yanking on a couple hairs. It should feel comfortable. Next we're going to blend it in. So right here, this is kind of the most conspicuous spot, so we want to make that so it actually looks a little bit more natural. Because I brought my hair forward here, I bring that topper forward as well. Now with my own hair, I kind of like my style to kind of fall backwards as well. Just combing that so it blends in along with the ends. You just want to make sure all of it's just naturally blending. And then I would actually take a straightener and just kind of smooth that down so it really blends. So nobody's gonna see that that's not your own hair. Just extremely natural looking. Like I said, I would probably smooth that down with the straightener, have that so it's laying a little bit more flat. But then from the front, see how I mean that bringing that hair forward blends that in with that topper piece. Sometimes I like to pull my hair up and just do like a little comb in the back. I love to use this piece for half up, half down style to give you a good ponytail, or just like I am now, just straight down. This is a human hair piece. This is one that I could curl and make it however I wanted. Synthetic pieces are great as well, but that's how you apply a topper on. Those tricks are gonna be huge on helping you make sure it blends naturally. If you have any questions, comment below. I would love if you shared this video with anybody that you may think could benefit from a topper, or you can come in here and we can try them on ourselves. But I'm Kaylee with Kay's Wig Shop, and thanks for checking me out.